I cut about 2 feet of this privet right here off this, but then when we grow, we don't take it entirely out. So for us, it's going to use this machine right here to remove this entire privet along with the roots. For us, do it. Such a pleasure. It's so cool. Yes! And then I come in and watch it.
Oh, and Rachel.
Sarah.
What are you doing?
Clearing privet.
Good. So, Mr. Crow, you think we can classify this as a privet thicket?
Sure. Why not?
What's your impression so far of this area?
My impression so far of this area, we seem to have some dense undergrowth that's prohibiting growth of native species along the ground. So we're clearing out the privet so that we can facilitate local natural growth.
What can you tell us about this privet thicket, Miss Chapman?
Really thick in my hair.
So, Mr. Crow, are you a privet kamikaze?
No, I'm a privet Rambo.
Privet, it's time to get serious.
Mr. Crow is going wild.
Yeah. I like this kind of stuff.
He's a privet beast. A happy man with his power tools.
Call it the orange thing. You separate it, put it around the trunk of some tree that you intend to pull up, or privet, and then you apply simple leverage like this.
And massive Mr. Crow force!
Privet Rambo, right?
Yeah, busted this privet pretty darn well. What you think, Mr. Crow?
I think it looks pretty good. Looks clean up here. It looks nice.
It's more than we can say about you.
Hey, thanks. Do this collectively.
Spread seed. What you doing here, Mr. Linder?
Trying to get wet hay out.
To do what?
To make the world a better place.
That's what we need to do.